Today's lesson will describe how bitumen is extracted from Alberta's oil sands. Alberta's oil sands that are up near Fort McMurray consist of something called bitumen, which is not the same as crude oil. Bitumen is a tarry substance that is found in the oil sands. Oil sands have other materials mixed in though, such as sand and water. Bitumen is the valuable material, so chemists study the most efficient way to extract the material from the oil sands. Each sand particle in the oil sands is surrounded by some water and then a thick layer of bitumen. Bitumen consists of some alkanes and cycloalkanes, but the majority of bitumen is made up of aromatic compounds. Consider a mixture of oil sand, water, and pentane. With what you know about the properties of hydrocarbons, are you able to answer the following questions? Is bitumen polar or nonpolar? Is water polar or nonpolar? Is pentane polar or nonpolar? Where will the bitumen dissolve? Where will the sand go? Which solution will be more or less dense? Pause here and take some time to consider your answers. Bitumen is a hydrocarbon, so it is nonpolar. Water is polar. Pentane is a hydrocarbon, so it is nonpolar. Because like dissolves like, the bitumen will dissolve in pentane. The sand will settle in the water. Water is more dense and pentane is less dense. As a result, the water solution with settling sand will be in the bottom, and the pentane and bitumen mixture will be on top. It is helpful to have the bitumen dissolved in pentane because then it is not as viscous and it will be able to travel through pipelines more easily. Instead of using pentane, hot water is often used to extract bitumen in real life. The oil sands are placed in a large tank with hot water above 80 degrees Celsius, and the solution is spun around very quickly. This results in the separation of the water, sand, and bitumen as a result of the different densities of each component. Please complete the November 14th quiz.